You bring your own DJ booth because you know what time it is. And then you come out here with the view and you see for yourself just what everyone else sees. A blessing. And the sun just came out, man. I love my life! Fuck this, man. I love my life. I love that she's praying. I love that he's playing. And I love that they're working. And I love that that's shining. And I love that I can be here next to the ocean with this view. I can't just even right now, bro. I can't even right now.